Mbnaviupdates.com. Just by visiting this particular page, you will come to the main page where you can see the URL here, that is Mbnaviupdates.com. After that, you will come to the contact us information. After clicking on the contact us page, you will come to the main page of contact us, where you can see the map that show the location of office. You can also see the cell phone number through which you can contact, and the official map website. So just by clicking the name, your email address, phone and subject on which you want to talk, and a brief description and a brief message. After that, you should submit your query or a question. After some time, at least 24 hours, our professional will contact you to solve your question or query.